Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownies. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your brownie mix, a pan to put them in. You can use various different sizes. Today I'm going to be using an 8x8. You need a mixing bowl, some measuring cups, some nonstick spray or butter or whatever you would like to use to grease your pan, some vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a whisk, and a spoon. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees if you're using a metal or glass pan. If you're using a dark or coated pan, you're gonna do 325 degrees. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grease our pan and set that aside. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open up our brownie mix and take that out. And then in our mixing bowl first, we're gonna combine our water, oil, and eggs. So we're gonna need 2 eggs. We're gonna need 1/4 cup of water. And then 2/3 cup vegetable oil. Now we're gonna take our whisk and beat all of those ingredients until they're fully blended. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up our brownie mix and add that in. And now we're just gonna go ahead and stir that until it's well blended. They say about 50 strokes. Make sure that you scrape the bottom and sides of your bowl really well, multiple times, so that you get all of that powdered mix up in there. And now that is done. We're gonna go ahead and pour this into our baking pan. I'm gonna give that a little jiggle to make sure that everything is distributed. And now we're ready to pop this into our oven for 45 to 50 minutes is their recommendation for an 8x8 pan. If you are using a different size, I will pop up those recommendations right here so that you know. But we're gonna put this in there and I will come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been exactly 45 minutes in my oven and this is looking like it's done, but we're gonna go ahead and use some toothpicks to test and see if they are almost clean. We're gonna insert them about 2 inches from the edge and we'll see. So that I would definitely count as almost clean because it's just got a little bit of flaky kind of crust on there, but we're gonna check a couple more spots. Now for me and my taste, I would definitely count those as almost clean because you do still want a little bit of stuff to be on there so that they're not overcooked. So here is our completed Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownies. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.